There is nobody in the earth. Aliens have taken every human on another earth, but there is still a 12 years old scientist who is working day and night for bring people back from the aliens. And his vision is very clear. He wants to make a time machine that can help him to go to another space timeline, and then he will bring all the people back. He also take care of his body because he thought, I have to become a super strong that can also fight with aliens. He is not only making time machine, he is also thinking how I will bring people back. And after working hard for many years, one day,
Yes! Finally! I did it!
and his hard work of many years
Now
pays
it's
off.
time to save all the people. But before that, I have to get ready.
He was also very smart because as it's time to go on another timeline on another planet, he also take some necessary things. And his vision was clear that he will fight for humans, for his family, and for his friends. And now, as you can see, he takes his bag, and in this bag there is full of necessary things, and it's time to go.
Now it's time to go on another planet. But before that, I have to connect this device with this device.
But before going to another planet, another timeline, he has to connect this device with this device. And as you saw, he goes to another planet. But the very unlucky thing is his time machine was broken. Now how he will save the people? What he will do? And suddenly some unknown creature come in the front of him, but he has some very powerful devices. Now what will scientist Faizan do? Because there are too many unknown creatures who are attacking scientist Faizan. How he will save himself? How he will save the people? Scientist Faizan is attacked by what will happen the next? Watch in part 2.